Visit nedbankcup.co.za and register to stand a chance to win a share of 5 million rands and 500,000 for your Stokvel account. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the DSTV Premiership. Sekhukhune 2, Orlando Pirates 1. I'm joined by Taps.
What did I tell you?
You did, sir.
What did I tell you?
It's payback time.
Today, give us Shapile Katriko no metria papa wow. 2-1. Yeah. It's payback time.
It is.
It's payback time. Brother, not Daddy today. It's payback time.
Yeah.
There's no luck, brother.
There's no luck in football.
It was fair. There's no luck in football.
Yes, sir.
Then Kevin Johnson, I wanted to go derby after Barrett stole the 3 points.
Yeah.
They stole the 3 points.
How?
There's no luck. There's no luck. And one thing I'll go with you. I'll go with something. I'll go with something. Remember the last videos? Nake brag I get go with Pirates. I'm like a Kaiser Chiefs, and I was once one. Mara, I bragged and won. Yeah, definitely. And I told you what season. I half season. So Niki break again. Go set a good homework. But I did extra. I'll go with something. You know, Kaiser Chiefs losing is no longer a natural pandemic. It's an international pandemic. And my fear is that it will become an international pandemic. So, brother, I ask some questions. And this message is to Papa Wow. The gods of football. They said if Kaiser Chiefs want to win, Papa Wow must release the video if him trying to this one. He must release the video. The man of the match. I'll give it to Figo. Figo Mtamba, really great. And since I am injuring your he scored many goals. Uwile Hortman, Wadala Figo is one of the best. Tawina 2-1. Tawina 2-1.
Those goals were the freebies. We gave them 2 goals. For free. You know what?
Why?
Because we want them at least to get in the top 8. Top 8 what? We are number 2 now. We are number 2 now. Number 2. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Let me tell you something. You're number 2. But on that number 2, you're not permanent there. After 30 games, they'll be on number 11.
This guy?
He'll be on number 11.
This guy?
And then Paris will be on number 2. Paris is going to play Champions League next season. I'm telling you. Paris is going to play Champions League next season. I'm telling you.
Another thing. Where is the ambulance? I'm still asking again. Where is the ambulance? Where is the ambulance? Oh, Budito.
I come over today.
Amaraki Easter. There are many extent happening around South Africa. There are many extent happening around the Easter weekend. So no problem, no worries. And I want to also pass the message.
What's your message?
Rest in peace to those people who died in the bus coming from Botswana going to Moria. Malapa bona ke condolences to all the families ba fole ka moka se se diragala go tswa Jehova fela le ma Pirates